We can't do anything else. If we want to preserve them, it's the only way. Beautiful things are always fleeting, you know. But this sea isn't going anywhere, at least. I keep having this recurring dream where I'm a fish imprisoned in a small aquarium. At first, I thought it wasn't too bad. I got to soak in the sun and relax. A carefree life, you know? But then, I realized something. Even though nothing appeared to be around me, I couldn't swim freely, no matter how hard I tried. With how touchy-feely you are, I wouldn't be surprised if you were an octopus in your past life. A fish doesn't live for long. Maybe it'll die before it even gets the chance to reach its destination. Then, I'll take that as your blessing.